Morning, preppers! Thursday, December 2nd. I have just completed my workout. Thursdays are always the worst for me. I don't know why. I just feel like total crap. But hey, now that I'm back on my checklist system, I got my notes. Let me make this turn real quick without getting killed. There's another one coming soon. But let's see. First things first, there will be a live stream tonight. It's going to go at 6 p.m. There will be a fire, as you guys love. I got to watch the wind still, but like I said, I promised, and this would be the last time I'd be able to do a live stream for a couple of days. Well, let's not get plowed and T-boned by that guy going way too fast. There we go. Let's see. And so it may be hopefully it's going to be a full-blown fire, but if not, then I'll make one of those Swiss ones out of a log. I'll go find a log someplace and we'll see how that works out. Let's see here. If you guys haven't been paying attention, and I mean, if you're on YouTube, that means you probably have a Google account, or you know what I'm saying, you're as attached to the internet as you want to be. But if you haven't been paying attention, you may have noticed that these last few days, there's been a move within social media to lock down on a lot of things. They're really coming after us, guys, and you need to be aware of it. It's one of the reasons that I actually started the Patreon, because I wanted you to have a place to go find the stuff that you were looking for, that people wouldn't just block. I think Prepper Nation had a something taken down, I think, on their Facebook page, and I think that God, I can't remember the name of the guy. He's like freaking like super lives in the wood type of guy. He does the survival bushcraft training. Anyway, I think he had something taken down from Facebook also in the last 24 hours. But what they're basically doing is, it's a cabal. If you don't know it, man, it's a total fucking cabal. So we already know that the guy who just took over Twitter, and I know most of you don't tweet, but okay. He just took over Twitter. He has come flat out and said he doesn't believe in the First Amendment. He does not believe in free speech, and he's going to control everything that you say. So yeah, Twitter is going to be like, oh, we're probably going to move away from Twitter. That's why I tell everybody to get themselves a Getter account, Gettr. What they're trying to do, guys, listen, here's what they're trying to do. Google, new terms of service. Check your email. Guarantee it's in there. YouTube, new terms of service. Guarantee it. They're basically saying, guys, we're trying to tell you, we're changing stuff. We don't want you to really pay attention, but we want to play I told you so. Okay? So listen, this does affect you, and here's why it affects you. Because this is how we communicate now. This is how we organize and we password and get things going so that we can stay organized. Now, if you don't believe that, you're a fool, because the government's not going to help you, and your mag, however big your mag isn't going to help you, you know, to find out that by the way, there's another bill on the House floor. It got proposed last night to limit the ownership of firearms to people if you had a violent misdemeanor. Yeah, that popped out last night. No one even talked about it. We had one guy in my mag talk about it. It's like, okay, well, let's do something about it. How do we do it? We pass that around via social media, and we get people to send stuff to their senators. That's how this all works. So if you think that you're not playing their game, you're a fool. You need to be playing their game. You need to beat them at their own game. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's see here. Get yourself a Getter account. What do we got here? What am I doing today? I'm going to be making some premium content, and for the Patreon. And let's see, I'm also going to be doing my daily chores. Damn, checklists are awesome, but they kind of suck too, because they like line up work for you. Like, you can't get away from it. Where do we see? Government shutdown on Friday. We'll probably talk about this a little bit tonight and how it affects. So no one's actually been talking about it up until yesterday, which is hilarious. And the reality is that they could shut the government down on Friday in an effort to stop the funding for the mandate. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know if it's going to work. There's clearly something there that they understand as members of Congress that we don't. But if they say they can stop the mandate by a government shutdown, I'm happy. I'm happy. Let's see here. What else we got here? I guess the new word is Omicron. There's a couple of cases. So there's 2 people in the United States that have the sniffles now. That's what that's going to be. We're gonna. Yesterday, the whole world was screaming about Omicron. Or no, the day before they were all screaming about Omicron, and then yesterday they were all screaming about how it's only mild symptom. It's like the majority of the people that get Omicron are asymptomatic, which means they get it and they don't even know they have it. All right, so I think that's going to be good for this morning. We'll see you tonight. As usual, I want you to stay safe. I want you to have a great day. And, yeah, let's do that. All right, guys, until the next time. Love you. We'll talk to you later. Woo! Bye-bye.